Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning. Specifically, we're going to explore a very important concept called supervised learning. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about AI, stick around because this is going to be super interesting. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is supervised learning and how does it work? Great question. Let's break it down together. So, first things first, what is supervised learning? In simple terms, it's a type of machine learning where we train a model on a labeled dataset. This means that for every input, we have a corresponding output. The model learns to map inputs to outputs using this data. Imagine you're teaching a child to identify different types of fruits. You show them a picture of an apple and say, "This is an apple." Then you show them a banana and say, "This is a banana." In this scenario, the pictures are the inputs, and the names of the fruits are the labels, or outputs. The more examples you give, the better the child gets at recognizing the fruits in the future. This is essentially how supervised learning works. Now, let's dive into some real-world examples to illustrate this concept further. One common application of supervised learning is email spam classification. Email providers use algorithms to determine whether an incoming message is spam or not. Here's how it works. The system is trained on a dataset containing thousands of emails labeled as spam or not spam. The model analyzes various features of these emails, such as the sender's email address, the subject line, and the content of the email itself. Once trained, the model can predict the category of new emails. For instance, if you receive an email with the subject line, "Congratulations, you've won a prize," the model might classify it as spam based on patterns it learned from previous examples. This helps keep your inbox clean and organized. Another powerful example of supervised learning is in the field of medicine. Let's consider how doctors use machine learning to diagnose diseases. Imagine a dataset containing patient records with various features like age, symptoms, medical history, and test results, along with labels indicating whether a patient has a specific disease, like diabetes or heart disease. By training a model on this data, we can create a diagnostic tool that predicts whether new patients might have the disease based on their symptoms and history. For example, if a model is trained on data from hundreds of patients with diabetes, it can learn that certain symptoms, like increased thirst and frequent urination, are strong indicators. When a new patient presents these symptoms, the model can assist doctors in making a more informed diagnosis. This can lead to quicker and more accurate medical interventions. Now, let's look at a third example, predicting house prices. When selling a house, homeowners often want to know how much they should ask for it. In this case, the model would be trained on a dataset containing information about houses, such as their size, location, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the prices they sold for. By analyzing this data, the model learns the relationship between the features of the houses and their sale prices. When a new house comes on the market, the model can estimate its price based on its features. For instance, if a house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is located in a desirable neighborhood, the model might predict a higher price compared to a smaller house in a less popular area. This is incredibly useful for both buyers and sellers in making informed decisions. Now, you might be wondering just how effective supervised learning can be. According to various studies, supervised learning algorithms can achieve accuracy rates of over 90% in some applications, like image recognition and natural language processing. However, the effectiveness largely depends on the quality and size of the dataset. The more diverse and comprehensive the data, the better the model can generalize and make accurate predictions. So, to wrap it all up, Supervised learning is a powerful machine learning technique that helps us make predictions based on labeled data. From filtering spam emails to assisting in medical diagnoses and predicting house prices, its applications are vast and impactful. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about machine learning and AI, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.